अब यूनिट नंबर 5 आपका वेरी स्मॉल यूनिट, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंक्लूडिंग सोशल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, हाफ मार्क्स टू 1 मार्क्स वेटेज ओवरऑल अराउंड द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर थिंग्स एंड ऑल, ठीक है। तो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द की इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एरियाज इन इंडिया, ठीक है, हाउ वी आर सी वी आर अ डेवलपिंग नेशन एंड लाइक वी आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड द ओवरऑल इंप्रूवमेंट्स ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। इट कैन बी हेल्थ केयर रिलेटेड, आपका जैसे हार्ड एंड soft infrastructure, we have two type of categorization and under that one we have number of areas, ठीक है। so जैसे आपका water management infrastructure including drinking water supply and all, ठीक है, so where we have that generally comes under water prevention and control, pollutions act 1974 to combat the pollution, ठीक है। communication infrastructure cover telecom, internet and broadcasting with government initiative like 100% FDI in telecom, the production incentive scheme and आपका नेशनल ऑप्टिकल फाइबर नेटवर्क्स, दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल। ऐसा नहीं कि इसके अलावा भी हैं, बट दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल विच इज स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन इन योर बुक। आपकी बुक जो कहती है ना वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिए, बिकॉज 90% क्वेश्चन विल बी बेस्ड ऑन दैट कॉन्टेंट ओनली, ठीक है। तो आपको वो क्वेश्चन ये भी दे सकता है कि लाइक विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन ऑल, ठीक है। तो 3 स्कीम ये रहेंगे, चौथा कुछ और रहेगा, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट पर्टिकुलर वन। क्रिटिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आपका सपोर्ट द इकोनॉमी इंक्लूडिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, ट्रांसपोर्ट, टेलीकम्युनिकेशन, वाटर सप्लाई, public health, financial services, and security. These sectors ensure stability and development in India's infrastructure growth. आपका what comes under critical infrastructure and all that you'll get to know with this particular point, ठीक है। Transport infrastructure, where we have done so many things like road, highways, bridge, canal, tunnels, road, railways, आपका subways, airports, ठीक है। प्रोजेक्ट आपका गोल्डन क्वाड्रिलेटरल, आपका विच इज अ काइंड ऑफ हाईवे प्रोजेक्ट विच कनेक्ट आर 4 मेजर सिटीज, दिल्ली, मुंबई, कोलकाता एंड चेन्नई, ठीक है। दिल्ली मेट्रो है, पब्लिक प्राइवेट एयरपोर्ट्स हैं, ठीक है, दे जनरली कम्स अंडर दिस। भारतमाला परियोजना आपका 100+ बिलियन US डॉलर इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर प्रोजेक्ट आपका टू इंश्योर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ। वाटर ट्रीटमेंट्स रिमेन अदर्स, ठीक है। सो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वी हैव Gati Shakti plan integrates 16 ministries for streamline, for seamless multimodal connectivity, improving goods and passengers movements while reducing travel time. These efforts aim to modernize India's transport network, boost investment and drive socio-economic development. Now the question will be based on this, okay? List out the major initiatives which are taken by the government of India to boost or to modernize the India's infrastructure and all. So something like this, जिनको आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है। अब यहाँ पे अगेन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लिस्ट, प्लीज गो क्विकली गो थ्रू दिस वन, ठीक है, एक बार जरूर देखिएगा। Okay, I'll do this. हाँ, whoever is asking for link, tell them, अगर ऐसी किसी की कोई भी requirements है ना, please do let me know, ठीक है। See why I upload all these particular things in on application, because people they used to join the आपका Telegram, then after every day I'm getting same sort of queries. So the best solution I found this particular one. So here, like if I have missed something, just do let me know, I'll do it again. So if you'll open that particular one, there is आपका free material section. If you'll go, there is a dedicated folder JIB May 2025 or JIB 25, ठीक है। Then you'll see the 4 subject. Just go to the INIFS. Do not download all the 4 subject as of now. Reason आपका, क्योंकि आप खाली कंफ्यूज करोगे अपने आप को, एक एक करके चलिए, ठीक है। एंड आई विल डू दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर ईच एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट, ठीक है। जैसे AFM में इट वाज अ लाइक लास्ट ईयर इट वाज अ ह्यूज सक्सेस, बहुत लोगों को उससे मदद मिली और इनसे आप लोगों को भी मिलेगी, ठीक है। सो नाउ दीज आर द एरियाज, सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज, ठीक है। हाफ मार्कर 2 क्वेश्चन और 1 मार्कर 1 क्वेश्चन और 2 मार्कर 1 क्वेश्चन कैन बी बेस्ड ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, ठीक है। तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, सब लोग ध्यान रखिएगा, ठीक है। सो दिस इज द वन, अनदर वन आई विल मेंशन होमवर्क हियर, जिसको आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा देखना है, ठीक है। व्हाट इज द मेजर डिफरेंस बिटवीन हार्ड and soft infrastructure. This was the question which get asked in your previous examination itself. Okay. So hard infrastructure, like we have examples like railways, railway lines, highways, we have dam. So these all generally comes under hard. So where we have a kind of physical like the construction things and all. Okay. And the soft infrastructure, which include majorly social infrastructure like healthcare, education, or communication, law enforcement. So these generally comes under the soft infrastructure, right? So hard infrastructure include transportation network, true. While soft infrastructure includes social institution, 100% true. Again, first one. Hard infrastructure is privately funded. No, we do not have such categorization. It can be done, like majorly it is done by the government itself. Like hard infrastructure refer to a short-term project. These all projects are long-term. So option A will be right answer for this one. Hard infrastructure consists physical network like roads, transport, airports, where soft infrastructure, which include healthcare, education, banking, law enforcement, insurance, these are generally comes under the soft infrastructure. Next one, which of the following statement about energy and critical infrastructure are correct? Okay, so energy infrastructure and critical infrastructure, right? So energy infrastructure include system like natural gas pipeline, petroleum pipelines, renewable energy facilities, 100% true. Critical infrastructure, which include essential services like electricity distribution, transportation, public health, again true. Renewable energy infrastructure such as solar and wind power is considered as energy infrastructure, not critical infrastructure. So this is wrong. Okay? So what we have to find out correct, that means 1 and 2, that means option A will be right answer for this particular one. Okay? So आपका statement 3 which was incorrect. Again, renewable energy infrastructure is a part of energy infrastructure, not the critical infrastructure. Very basic. So now let's have a look about your the basic categorization and all, okay, and the development under this particular domain. So if you talk about this particular one, okay, so so water, like key infrastructure areas in India. So we have water management infrastructure, okay, which include drinking water supply, wastewater treatments, and flood control, regulated under the Water Prevention and Control of Pollutions Act 1974 to combat combat pollutions. ठीक है, very please do do revise this particular data. ठीक है, तो बहुत मतलब I'll give 3 star to this one. ठीक है, so बहुत मेहनत से आपके लिए summarize करके बनाया गया है. ठीक है, and if you'll study your books, it will like cover under 2-3 pages. ठीक है, तो वो जो बड़े बड़े paragraphs हैं, what you required for your examination, that is available here, right? Communication infrastructure, which cover telecom, internet, and broadcasting. While government initiative like 100% FDI in telecommunication, then we have production incentive scheme PLI, which generally comes under this. National optical fiber networks, again, which is generally part of this one. Okay. Critical infrastructures support the economy, including electricity, transport, telecommunication, water supply, health, public health, financial services, and security. These sectors ensure stability and development in India's infrastructure landscape itself. Okay. Transport infrastructure, which is categorized under the hard infrastructure. Okay. So, which include roads, highway, bridge, tunnels. Then we have railways, subways, airports. Okay. So, key project or initiative by government. Okay. So, golden quadrilateral lines, which generally connect the 4 major cities of India: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. Delhi Metro is the other examples. Public-private airports have revolutionized transit. Major initiative like we have the Bharatmala Pariyojana also. So 100 plus billion US dollar investment. Industrial corridor project आपका to enhance manufacturing and economic growth. Water treatment remain a challenge. with low capacity and pollution are concerned. Yeah. So PM Gati Sakti plan integrates 16 ministries for seamless multimodal connectivity. ठीक है. Improving it is something related to logistics system and all. ठीक है. Improving good and passenger movements while reducing the travel time. Sorry. These efforts aim to modernize India's transport network, boost investment, and drive socio-economic development. Okay, so this is kind of an overview of the overall infrastructure sectors of India and their the government key initiatives also. All right. So now we will practice some questions. So with the reference of these particular question, we will try to build our concept. Okay. Which of the following statement are correct regarding water management and communication infrastructure? Okay. So the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 led to establishment of Central and State Pollution Control Board to regulate the water pollutions. 100% true. This we have discussed with our summary also. The Tarang Sanchar initiative was launched to provide. No, it is not about the broadband. It is about the networkings and all. Connectivity to rural areas, whether that mobile connectivity, आपका mobile towers and all. So that's generally part of this one. Even like the major player is BSNL. So through BSNL we have established mobile towers in remote areas and all. So that is the one thing. So this statement is wrong. The National Optical Fiber Network, no fun, aimed to connect 2.5 lakh gram panchayat with broadband services. 100% true. Okay? So you have to find out the correct statement. That means 1 and 3. That means option C will be right answer for this one. Okay? So this statement 2 was wrong. Tarang Sanchar is a web portal. It is a web portal for monitoring mobile towers and EMF emission. It is electromagnet fiber. So electromagnet fibers emissions compliances, not for the broadband connectivities. Rest two statement was correct. Next one. Which of the following statement about India's transport infrastructure and key initiative are correct? So it is about the India's transport infrastructure. So where we'll be practicing schemes or government initiatives or the importance of this particular one. So Golden Quadrilateral is a national highway network project aimed at connecting India's four major metropolitan cities. These are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. Okay? So please do remember the name of these particular one also. Okay? 100% true. Bharatmala Pariyojana is India's largest road infrastructure investment program with an allocation of more than 100 billion US dollar. Again, this is also correct. Again. PM Gati Sakti is a digital platform launched to integrate planning across 16 ministries for seamless multimodal connectivity. This we have discussed with our summary itself. True. Multimodal logistic park are being developed through the public-private partnership model for efficient cargo movements. This is also true. Kavach, Kavach is a kind of a tool which it's a technology which we generally use in our Indian railways. तो जो रेलवेज की आपकी जो एक्सीडेंट्स हैं उनको मिनिमाइज करने के लिए इसको यूज किया जाता है एंड इंडिजियस रेलवे टेक्नोलॉजी एम्ड इम्प्रूविंग सेफ्टी एंड कैपेसिटी ऑगमेंटेशंस. ठीक है. तो बेसिकली व्हाट कवर्स डिड कि आपका एक रेल इधर से आ रहा है, वन इज कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड. ठीक है. इफ दे आर मूविंग ऑन अ सेम ट्रैक दे विल ऑटोमेटिकली स्टॉप. ठीक है. तो ऐसा जो टेक्नोलॉजी आपका कवच का जो लाया गया था. ठीक है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. ठीक है. भारतमाला भारतमाला प्रोजेक्ट जो रोपवे से रिलेटेड आपका है. ठीक है. 60 अलग अलग प्लेसेस में आपका ना सॉरी 8 डिफरेंट प्लेसेस के अंदर जो हिल स्टेशंस आपके हैं वहां पे भारतमाला प्रोजेक्ट आपका. ठीक है. जो रोपवेज आपके होते हैं विच जनरली कवरिंग द 60 किलोमीटर एरियाज इन ऑल. ठीक है. सो और नेशनल रोपवे डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम अंडर विच contract have been awarded for 10 ropeways, no 8 ropeways project of not the 60 kilometers length. So this is wrong. The National Industrial Corridor Program, ठीक है, National Industrial Corridor Program aim to develop futuristic industrial cities in India to boost the employment and economic growth 100% too. So only statement incorrect out of these given 7 statement are statement number 6 just because of this. ठीक है, यहाँ पे what is पर्वतमाला प्रोजेक्ट दैट इज फाइन, ठीक है, इसका काम क्या है आपका रोपवे बिल्डिंग करने का, ठीक है, जैसे होता है ना वैष्णो देवी आप जाते हो तो केबल कार से जाते हो, ठीक है, दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, ठीक है. सो वी हैव 8 प्रोजेक्ट असाइंड अंडर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन व्हिच विल बी कवरिंग 60 किलोमीटर ऑफ डिस्टेंस, राइट. सो 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, हाँ, सो ऑप्शन बी विल बी राइट आंसर, ठीक है. 6 आपका इनकरेक्ट है, rest all statements are correct. That means option B should be right answer for this particular one. Okay. So to this explanation, I'll give 3 star, guys, because these will help you in half marks question as well as 1 marks question as well as in 2 marks question. Okay. So this question was for 2 marks and it can be for 1 marks also with less number of statements, और आपका हाफ मार्क्स में किसी भी एक उसके बारे में कि लाइक व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ कवच और व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ लाइक व्हाट वाज द टारगेट ऑफ दिस एंड नॉट, ठीक है. तो इस तरीके से आपको ध्यान रखना है. सो स्टेटमेंट 1, गोल्डन क्वाड्रिलेटरल is one of the India's most significant highway project aimed at connecting the major 4 metropolitan cities Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. It play a crucial role in enhancing trade and transport across the country. Second one, Bharatmala project is India's largest road infrastructure investment program, which investment is more than 100 billions US dollar. Focus on highway expansion, connectivity, improvements, and corridor efficiency. PM Gati Shakti initiative, a national master plan. It is also comes under the national master plan for multimodal connectivity, launched in the Union Budget 22-23. It aimed to bring together 16 ministries, including railways, roadways, for coordinated infrastructure planning and execution. Fourth one was multi-modal logistic park, MMLPs, to improve cargo movements efficiency. These park will be implemented through the public-private partnership model, ensuring private sector participation. Kavach is an indigenous world-class railway technology that aim to improve safety and capacity augmentations in railway networks. 2000 kilometers of railway track are being equipped with a Kavach to prevent accident and enhance efficiency. Bharatmala project is a national ropeway development program designed to improve connectivity in hilly areas. Contract were awarded to 8 ropeways. So 8 ropeways, we have mentioned 8 only, na? 8 ropeways connecting 60 kilometers. Connecting 60 kilometers, right? So connecting 60 kilometers, not 10 this. This was the incorrect one. So National Industrial Corridor Program is a designated to develop futuristic industrial cities in India that enhance manufacturing, attract investment, create job and contribute to economic growth. So this is the kind of summary or the major or the key initiative taken by Government of India to support our infrastructure, basically which is related to your transport infrastructure. All right, so very very important one. Please try to remember these one. Do revise these particular things. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which of the following statement about urban and green infrastructure are correct? Urban infrastructure, which is something related to urban cities and all urban areas. Green is basically where we are we are having something some sort of infrastructure which is supporting the environment also. ठीक है, तो जो जिससे environment को नुकसान ना पहुंच रहा होता हो, that is the one. So urban areas in India generate over 2/3 of country's GDP and account 90% of government revenue. Infrastructure projects are capital intensive And funding is a major challenge to attract or to achieve the infrastructure goal. Green infrastructure include environmentally sensitive areas, wildlife sanctuaries और conservation zone, जैसे आपका वेस्टर्न घाट and all, 100% true. The smart cities mission aim to develop rural, no, it is not about the rural areas, it is about the urban areas and improve agriculture productivity, no. So this is wrong. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3 means option C will be right answer for this particular one. Okay, so the only statement incorrect was statement 4. The smart cities mission focus on urban infrastructure, not on rural development or agriculture. All right. Which of the following statement about social sector, social infrastructure and ESG are correct? ESG means आपका environmental, social and governance. ठीक है? ESG stand for environmental, social and governance, right? So the differences or the statements about we have 6 statement about the social sector infrastructure, social sector itself. Then we have social sector infrastructure, and we have आपका environmental policies और we have social policies or governance. ठीक है? So first one, social sector include health, education, water supply, agriculture, infrastructure, welfare programs and all. True. Investment in human capital such as education, healthcare has no significant impact on economic growth. This is completely wrong. It has significant impact on the overall economic growth. If we'll have educated people in our economy, so that means their productivity will automatically increase. So that will lead to the economic productivity or economic growth itself, right? So this is completely wrong. Public investment in social infrastructure is essential for inclusive development, 100% true. At the time of independence, India's literacy rate was 50%. तो आज भी नहीं है, ठीक है? So India's literacy rate that time it was 17% around, ठीक है, जितना मुझे याद है. We'll cross check this one. 17%. And life expectancy was 42 years something, ठीक है, not 45. It was 42 years, 42.5 years or something. It was the data. ठीक है, so this is wrong. ESG, environmental, social and governance, is considered a modern dimension of the corporate social responsibilities. 100% true. Whenever we define the corporate social responsibility, or even as per the act itself, section 135 of Companies Act 2013. So the CSR activities are further divided between two areas. One is social sector reforms, or another one is environmental. Okay? So they have to spend 2% of their net profit from last 3 years for these particular areas itself. Okay? So bank disclosed diversity data, human right policies, and workplace equality measure under this 100% true. Okay? So what will be your correct answer? What we have to find out? Correct statement in. So 1 3 4 5 1 1 3 5 6 1 3 5 6. That means option A should be right answer for this one. Okay? So only two incorrect statements were there. Okay, first, investment in human capital does not impact does impact the economic growth. Okay. Fourth one was, which is data driven. Okay. At the time of independence, India's literacy rate was 17%. ठीक है, जो हमारा सही था. अच्छा, okay, life expectancy was 32.5, not 42.5. ठीक है, it is 32.5, not 42.5. Please do correct this. That was 17%. That is right. ठीक है, so ये थोड़ा सा आपको याद करने हैं, प्रैक्टिस करना है. चलो, what percentage of GDP was targeted for healthcare spending under 2017 National Health Policy? So it is 2.5% of India's GDP. ठीक है, so option C आपका correct answer होगा इसके लिए. Yes, so 2.5% of India's GDP by 2025. This is government target कि we will spend this much of money on healthcare services. ठीक है, तो जो हमारा overall GDP का size है उसका 2.5% we will spend on the overall healthcare building and all. Okay. Next one. Which of the following statement about family welfare program in India are correct? Okay. So family welfare programs. Okay. So India was the first country in the world to implement national program for family planning in 1952. 1952. Yes. So this is true. 1952. Yes. Family welfare program provide a free and voluntary access to maternal and child health services. Yes, we do have number of services. The program only focus on sterilization as a mean. No. Apart from sterilization, also we have some additional facilities like contraceptives और ऐसे बहुत सारे जो फैमिली प्लानिंग्स के अंदर आपके जो प्रोग्राम्स रन किए गए हैं, ठीक है. सो दिस मेक दिस स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग. द फैमिली वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम इंक्लूड स्कीम लाइक जननी सुरक्षा योजना. यस, ठीक है. न्यूट्रिशन प्रोग्राम, ठीक है, जैसे हम लोग मनाते हैं ना, द मंथ ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज सितंबर. एवरी ईयर सितंबर इज जनरली सेलिब्रेटेड एज मंथ ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, ठीक है. और आपका न्यूट्रिशन वीक, ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स आपको यहाँ पे देखने के लिए मिलेंगे, ठीक है. सो 1 to 4 मीन्स आपका ऑप्शन डी, ठीक है. 1 इज ऑल्सो राइट, ठीक है. सो ऑप्शन डी विल बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, ठीक है. सो ऑप्शन 3 वॉज रॉन्ग. क्यों गलत था? प्रोग्राम इंक्लूड वेरियस मेथड लाइक IUDs, ठीक है, contraceptive schemes and health initiative, ठीक है. So these are generally like we have number of measure or number of policies or number of government schemes which are available for free of cost to the people, ठीक है. तो जो रूरल एरियाज के अंदर है या आपका सेमी अर्बन या अक्रॉस द कंट्री इटसेल्फ, राइट. नेक्स्ट वन, which of the following statement about education in India are correct, ठीक है. So education, where we have new education policy since 2028 itself, ठीक है, onwards, ठीक है, 22 onwards, sorry, ठीक है. So the constitution 86th amendments act 2002 added article 21A right to education, ठीक है, making a free and compulsory education as a fundamental right, ठीक है. So we added article 21A as a fundamental right for free education or right to education for children's. अच्छा, okay, date is, this year is mentioned wrong here, ठीक है. It is like 6 year to 14 years, ठीक है, 6 to 14, not 5 to 15 आपका, ठीक है. So that make statement 1 incorrect. The National Education Policy NEP 2022 replace 32-year old National Education Policy 1986, 100% true. The old 10 plus 2 structure has been replaced with 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 framework, including 12 years of schooling and 3 years of आंगनवाड़ी प्री स्कूल्स, ठीक है. सो ये आपका नया स्ट्रक्चर, जैसे पहले 10 plus 2 होता था, नाउ लाइक वी हैव 5 प्लस का, देन आपका 3 years 5 to 8 8 क्लास, देन 8 to आपका 11, ठीक है. मतलब इस तरीके से 1 to 5 5 to 8 8 to 11, ठीक है. और इसमें आपका प्री आंगनवाड़ी भी होगा अभी, ठीक है. हाँ, 3 years of प्री आंगनवाड़ी एंड ऑल, so that generally get included in this, ठीक है. So correct statement 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means option B will be right answer for this one, ठीक है. So statement 1 was incorrect statement, and I hope everybody knows about this. This is like kind of national agenda, ठीक है. So 86th constitutional amendment added article 21A ensuring free and compulsory education for children age 6 to 14, ठीक है. 6 से आपका 15 साल तक के बच्चों के लिए जो फ्री एजुकेशन या जो शिक्षा का अधिकार आपका ऐड किया गया, दैट इज द वन, ठीक है. जो वहां पे क्या लिखा था 5 to 15 समथिंग आई गेस, ठीक है. तो दैट वाज रॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट वन, which of the following statement about health infrastructure in India are correct, ठीक है. तो health infrastructure जिसमें आयुष्मान भारत and all these kind of some key initiatives, ठीक है. So national health plan, ठीक है, they generally comes under this. Health infrastructure is primarily assessed based on economic. No, it is not assessed based on economic indicators. It is generally assessed based on health metrics, ठीक है. So healthcare metrics, yes. So इसके basis पे होता है, ना कि उसके. तो statement 1 is wrong. The Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission (ABDM) was formerly known as National National Digital Health Mission, ठीक है, true. India's health infrastructure challenges are linked to economic growth and include inefficiencies in personal and material plannings, ठीक है, बिल्कुल सही. The PM Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission focus only on strengthening primary healthcare? No, it is not only about the primary, it is secondary and tertiary. All the kind of healthcare infrastructure that generally comes under this. So this is also wrong. Okay. Inadequate in healthcare infrastructure contribute to poor quality of care, particularly in underprivileged communities. 100% true. Okay. So true statements आपका 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5. That means option A will be right answer for this particular one. Okay. So statement 1 was incorrect. Healthcare infrastructure is assessed based on healthcare metrics, and 4 was incorrect. PM AM uh, BHIM focus primarily focus on primary, secondary and tertiary. यहाँ पे क्या दिया गया था कि आपका प्रधानमंत्री आयुष्मान भारत हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मिशन फोकस ओनली ऑन strengthening the primary healthcare. No, it is not only about the primary, it is all type of healthcare infrastructure which include the secondary and the advanced one also. Okay. Which scheme to organize traditional industries and artisan into a cluster to enhance their marketability and skills? Okay, this question is belongs to your previous unit actually. ठीक है, that MSME वाला part portion. ठीक है, चलो no worries, we will practice this. ठीक है, so what the scheme aim to organize traditional industries and artisan. तो क्या था आपका स्फूर्ति? ठीक है, so स्फूर्ति means yes, option B, scheme for fund for regeneration of traditional industries. आपका ऑप्शन बी विल बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है, सो स्कीम ऑफ फंड्स फॉर रीजनरेशन ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल industries Spurti is designated to support traditional industries and artisans by grouping them into clusters and providing them with skills and marketability improvements. ठीक है, so we have these particular one, these many schemes related to MSMEs. MSMEs infrastructure के अंदर है या फिर आपका ये पिछले यूनिट का पार्ट है. आई एम लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूज नाउ. ठीक है, चलो कोई बात नहीं, हम पढ़ लेते हैं. MSME delayed payment portals. ठीक है, so this will empower MSME across the country to directly register their cases relating to delayed payment by central ministries or departments or CPSEs or state governments. ठीक है. Digital MSME scheme, it involve uses of cloud computing, where MSME use internet to access common as well as tailor-made IT infrastructure. ठीक है, so this is kind of a, जैसे वर्क प्लेसेस आपके होते हैं ना, उसी मॉडल पे काम करता है आपका डिजिटल MSME स्कीम. ठीक है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन प्रोग्राम, क्रेडिट लिंक सब्सिडी प्रोग्राम अंडर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ MSME, scheme of fund registration of traditional industries Spurti, which is for your आपका traditional industries and artisans to cluster into clusters and make them competitive by enhancing their marketability. ठीक है, जो उनके जो पुराने पुराने आर्ट्स होती हैं, ठीक है, तो उनकी कलाओं को राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्थल पे ले जाने के लिए. ठीक है, so to promote them at national level or international level. So we have a scheme which is known as Spurti, right? A scheme for production of innovation, rural industries and entrepreneurship. ठीक है, Aspire. ठीक है, so it create a new job, reduce unemployment, promote entrepreneurship culture, facilitate innovation business solutions. ठीक है, National Manufacturing Competitive Programs. ठीक है, NMCP, to develop global competitiveness among the MSME, Indian MSMEs team, and micro, small, and medium enterprises cluster. Okay, please go through this one. Just give me 1 minute. Somebody has stored. All right, so this we have discussed in our previous session also. Okay, and these topics are related to your previous class itself. Okay, so एक और question दिख रहा है इसमें. Yes. What is the primary objective of National Manufacturing Competitiveness Program? So, National Manufacturing Competitive Programs. ठीक है, so if we'll come to this, sorry, yeah, National Manufacturing Competitive Programs. ठीक है, so इसी में आपका ये था. ठीक है, so to develop global competitiveness among the Indian MSMEs, B will be right answer for this one. ठीक है, so their process, design, technology and market access. So now we will come up to the summary portion. Okay, so summary about the infrastructure. This is definitely going to help you out. ठीक है, तो जितने क्वेश्चंस या जितना अलाइनमेंट्स हमारा था कंटेंट का, यू विल सी सब कुछ आपको समरी के अंदर भी मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, सो infrastructure is a foundation of economic growth. It encompasses the physical, natural, and organizational structure required for long-term economic development. Hard infrastructure refer to major physical network such as roads, port, airport, pipeline, etc. that are required for operation of modern industrial nations. Soft infrastructure refer to institution that essential to keep economy running. जैसे हमने बात किया था हेल्थ केयर, एजुकेशन, फाइनेंस, ठीक है, ये सारा चीज आपका इसमें रहेगा. ठीक है, it also segregated as physical and social infrastructure. Green infrastructure is a concept that highlight the value of natural environment. The life support services provided by network of natural ecosystem are emphasis under this particular category. Apart from this, health, education, water supply, transportation, agriculture and allied activities, infrastructure, irrigation, management of natural resources such as water, and services, and so on, are all included under the social infrastructure. So what comes under social infrastructure? You do have these particular examples. Positive externalization are associated with the social infrastructure. It play an important role in the country's economic development and well-being. Investing in human capital, including education, skill development, training, and the provision of healthcare facilities, increase labor productivity and social welfare. The necessity for a strong and resilient health structure was emphasized during the recent COVID-19 pandemic. So जहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारी चीजें समझी. ठीक है, as per the economic survey 21-22, healthcare sector budget targeted was 4.7 lakh crores. So these type of announcement ना, ये जो आपके announcement है, this we will cover through the budgetary session. ठीक है, I'll come up with one dedicated session on Union Budget 2025. तो वहां पे इस बार के जो अनाउंसमेंट्स हैं एंड विच आर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन, दैट वी विल कवर अंडर दैट पर्टिकुलर वन. दो आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस कि दे रियरली आस्क क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन बजट, बट स्टिल विल हैव वन सेशन विच इज like the content which is aligned with your काइंड ऑफ कोर्स करिकुलम. ठीक है, तो ऐसे अनाउंसमेंट आपका जो आपके कोर्स करिकुलम के साथ अलाइन है, उनके ऊपर हम लोग एक डिस्कशन जरूर करेंगे, स्पेशली इन केस ऑफ लाइक इनकम टैक्स एंड ऑल, or the social welfare schemes or the existing scheme update on those particular one, education and all. So we do have one unit called budget and in your module B itself. So along with that one, we will doing one session based on Union Budget 2025-26 itself. Do not worry about this. National Education Policy 22 is built on 4 pillars: accessibility, equity, quality, and accountability. Okay? So please do remember this one. Okay? So it is built on 4 pillars: accessibility to all, education for all, equity, okay? Equal education, okay? Then quality education and the accountability. Okay? The primary goal of the family welfare program is to stabilize the population and offer high quality health services, including immunization of pregnant women and children. Population management is the core fundamental goal of the family welfare programs. Health infrastructure is an essential matrix for assessing a country's healthcare policy and welfare system. ठीक है, let's practice. ठीक है, which of the following is not a hard infrastructure? ठीक है, so healthcare is not hard infrastructure, it is generally categorized under soft infrastructure. Which among the following is not a green infrastructure? So not a green: wildlife, bird sanctuary, tiger. These all are highways, national highways. They do not fall under the category of green infrastructure. They are hard infrastructure. And which generally impact the आपका green infrastructure. Which among the following is not a pillar of national education policy 22, ठीक है. So accessibility, quantity is not part of this one, ठीक है. Accessibility, equity, accountability and accessibility, quality, not quantity, ठीक है. So here it is mentioned quantity, it was quality, ठीक है. So अगर आप इसमें देखेंगे ना, ठीक है. So हाँ, accessibility, equity, quality and accountability, ठीक है. So that is the one, ठीक है. DAS is a core fundamental goal of family welfare program, ठीक है. So it is आपका population management, ठीक है. So population management, core fundamental welfare program. It is, it is family welfare program is linked with the population management. I guess it was part of this one. Population management is the core fundamental of this particular one. All right. So this is all about your infrastructure, including social infrastructure. I hope you get this particular thing clearly. So see, summary they have given in your book, okay? And if what we are generally trying ki with the help of multiple statements, we are generally trying to have a 100% coverage of your content, ठीक है. तो कई बार क्या होता है कि like you guys were busy with your daily schedule, ठीक है. खासकर वो लोग जो आपका बड़े ब्रांचेस के अंदर काम करते हैं, so they have lots of work pressure. So I do not want कि like you miss your increment by 1 month itself, ठीक है. See यार guys, first अगर आप जैसे डिले होते हैं ना, those who won't be able to clear the examination, they are losing their increments, cumulative increments. How it is cumulative? Let's say 6 month का आपका GIB का तो गया गया on an average 5,000, ठीक है. Then CIB का आपका, ठीक है. So that means now you will be eligible by 6 month for CIB examination. So you are losing 6 month incentive for CIB itself, which is around on an average 7 to 8,000. If you are at branch manager level or you have spent 4 5 years, so it is around 10,000, okay. So 10,000 per month you can do SIP or you can do charity with that amount, but just focus, just make a balanced study plan, just crack this particular examination, ठीक है. So single attempt में crack करना is much easier than the आपका बार बार देना, क्योंकि आप जैसे एक पेपर अभी क्लियर किया, दूसरा फिर, तो दैट take much time and you lose your interest after some time. So I do not want you in that particular place. बढ़िया से efforts लगाइए, ठीक है. कोई भी हेल्प की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, यू कैन कनेक्ट मी ओवर देयर, ठीक है. यू कैन डायरेक्टली पिंग मी. कई बार ग्रुप में मैसेज स्किप हो जाता है, ठीक है. डायरेक्टली पिंग मी, आई विल शेयर माई नंबर एंड वी विल टॉक अबाउट द इश्यूज कि क्या है एंड वॉट वी कैन डू बेस्ट इन द रिमेनिंग टाइम्स, ठीक है. सो आज के लिए इतना ही करेंगे देन. सो दिस इज इट फ्रॉम माय साइड गाइस. थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग दिस सेशन, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस सेशन. बाय बाय, टेक केयर ऑल, हैव अ नाइस डे, थैंक यू.